Okay, hello, this is Wassim AlBalkhy. I'm from Central Lille in France. I will present our study, the analysis of lean waste in construction 3D printing, a case study. My co-authors are Scott Ping, Saad El-Babidi, Professor Dr. Zoubeir Lafhaj, and Dr. Laure Ducoulombier. So construction industry, as everyone knows, is one of the most important industry in the world that employs more than 97 million around the world. However, the industry itself is suffering from different problems related to the low efficiency levels, the large amount of waste, and the negative environmental impact. For example, in this graph, you can see that the construction sector producing more than double of hazardous waste in comparison to the chemical sector in France, and more than 50% of the time and cost in construction goes for wasteful activities. Therefore, there is a need to change the construction industry in different ways, in the practices, in the way of thinking and managing processes, and in the use technologies. These days, we are witnessing the increasing of the Industry 4.0 practices, and we are witnessing gaining popularity for lean construction and 3D printing as two practices that may revolutionize the construction industry. From one side, 3D printing is expected to provide benefits to the industry by providing flexibility in the design, possibility to incorporate different types of materials to decrease the complexity and to decrease cost, potentials to decrease cost, time and complexity, and maintenance work in the construction. In turn, lean is known by its potentials to decrease the cost, time, and improving quality, achieving higher client satisfaction in creating value for the client and achieving continuous improvement. In a previous study, we proposed a framework to integrate lean and 3D printing in construction industry. And we thought that both concepts can integrate with each other and benefit from each other. For example, 3D printing in comparison to conventional construction practices can help reducing a large amount of waste, while at the same time, lean can also contribute to achieving safer, faster, greener, and better 3D printing processes. In that study, we proposed different examples of how 3D printing eliminates lean waste. For example, how 3D printing in comparison to conventional construction can reduce waiting time, need for unnecessary inventory, errors in the and defects in the production, and minimize movement and unnecessary movement and unnecessary transportation of machines, materials, and equipment. The study has different examples, and you can access it by scanning this code. In the same study, we also proposed potential lean waste that can found in 3D printing processes. For example, defective layers, lost files in the design, the need for post-processing due to defects, over-design, too late or too early printing, a non-optimal bias of printing. So apart from the study, from our previous study, the topic of the integration of lean construction and the 3D printing, we can say that it is overlooked in the literature, and we could not find enough studies about the analysis of lean waste that may appear during 3D printing processes. Therefore, this study aims to analyze lean waste in 3D printing processes. And it is worth mentioning here that this study is based on lab investigations, and this is one of the limitations of this study. So The study was based on this methodology, which was based first on conducting a 3D printing test for a printed object, and then analyze and map the process of the printing, then analyze it to identify the value adding activities and non-value adding activities. Then after that, we presented the concept, the philosophy of lean, the principles of lean, and the practices of lean to the 3D printing team. And then we conducted another test to identify the amount of we mapped the process and analyze it again, and then we compared the results between the two sets of tests. The printed object was the same for the two tests. It was with concrete 3D printing using this shape, which has a diameter and height of 45 centimeters, a layer height of 1 centimeter, layer thickness of 5 centimeters, and the overall printing time was supposed to be 15 minutes, and that means only the 3D printing when everything is ready and when there's no stoppages in the process. And the overall volume of concrete was 132 liters. The process was mapped using this structure, which was based on having a video recording for the two tests and identifying each task during the test and identifying if it's value-adding activities or non-value adding activity, then identifying the type of the activity itself. So the results from the first test showed that the test was conducted in 46 minutes, and out of these 46 minutes, 24%, and that includes the preparation of the material, and that includes the results showed that around 24% of the time was wasted for non-value adding activities. Examples included waiting for information, searching for design file, waiting due to technical error, searching for a tool, and transportation of the mixer, and weighing more than once. And the most appeared non-value adding activity was waiting, then transportation and motion. Following the first test, we introduced, as we said, we introduced lean principles and lean tools to the team of the 3D printing. And at that time, we presented some lean practices such as 5Y, value stream mapping, 5S, plan, do, check, act for continuous improvement, visual management, predictive maintenance, error proofing, visual and predictive maintenance. And then we conducted the second test, and when we conducted the second test, after doing some preparations for the test and introducing the lean principles, the time was reduced by around 3 minutes, and the non-value adding activities reduced to 13% of the overall time. Waiting remained the most appeared. Waiting, then motion, then transportation remained the most appeared non-value adding activities in this test. In conclusion of the study, lean construction and 3D printing have potential to revolutionize the construction industry by achieving efficiency, sustainability, and client satisfaction. 3D printing was helpful to achieve during the 3D printing, we got around 24% of non-value adding activities. In comparison to the conventional construction, this percentage is low. However, the introduction of lean helps to offer opportunities to improve the time and cost, also to improve the time of the 3D printing. And the contribution of this study is that this study presents an example of employing lean and lean thinking to improve 3D printing in construction. It also serves as an example of how to analyze waste in 3D printing processes. Thank you so much.